Are you looking for safe, effective, and inexpensive health solutions for your dog? In this video, I'll be sharing what essential oils are safe for dogs, the best essential oils for dogs, and answer common questions like, are essential oils toxic to dogs? Are essential oils bad for dogs? And what are the best essential oils for dogs? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, wellness advocate and essential oil educator. Make sure you stick around so you can grab my free resource that will help you to know exactly how to use essential oils effectively. First things first. Let's break down the basics. Essential oils are concentrated extracts from plants, and they've been used for centuries for various purposes, including aromatherapy. But when it comes to our dogs, not all essential oils are created equal. Some can be harmful, while others offer fantastic benefits. So let's talk about essential oils and dog safety first. First, recent research has shown that up to 90% of essential oils on the market are not pure. They're adulterated, diluted, and sadly synthetic and contaminated with harmful toxins. So first and foremost, you want to have the utmost assurance that the essential oils dogs will benefit from are not only potent, but pure, and don't be blinded by an organic, certified organic, or even 100% pure label. I won't go into all the details in this video, but I'll share a video link in the description when you're ready to get started looking for brands to purchase. So why are millions of people using essential oils for dogs and other pets? Well, essential oils provide a safe, effective, and inexpensive way to support the health of your dog. You can use them for digestive upset, immune support, wound healing, skin irritations, pain, and so much more. They also protect your pet from toxins in your home. It may not always cross your mind, but your environment is also your pet's environment. Many common household cleaners are filled with synthetic chemicals and toxins, and what you use to clean the floor is what your dog walks, naps, and plays on. There's your air to consider as well. You may be surprised to learn many fragrance products, from candles and air fresheners to perfumes, are also filled with artificial chemicals and toxins. You breathe it in, and so does your pet. Reducing the toxic load of your home benefits the whole family, including your pets. While it may be overwhelming to think about every single product in your home that may increase the toxic load of people and your dogs who share, that air with you and the house with you, making your space greener and cleaner doesn't have to be daunting. Reducing toxic load and replacing your current products with natural alternatives is really a simple step-by-step process. You could simply start with diffusing essential oils or swapping out cleaners for safe essential oil-based cleaners. Another reason why people are using them is just imagine the benefits of using nature to tackle the pet odors in your home, as opposed to whatever synthetic products you might be using now. Some people have wondered, are essential oil diffusers safe for dogs, and are essential oils safe for dogs to smell? Absolutely, again, if they are pure. But there are a few that aren't safe, which I will share in just a minute. Now let's cover some of the general essential oils and dog safety guidelines. Then I'll share the best essential oils for dogs and some great tips and recipes. So number one is dilute essential oils for topical use on your dog. For dogs, use about 1 to 5 drops of essential oils to 100 drops of carrier oil, or purchase a pre-diluted roller bottle. Never apply essential oils on large or infected wounds. Remember that if you put them on topically, it's likely your dog will also get them internally by licking the area. So only use internal use essential oils topically. It will say that on the label. Don't apply essential oils in the eyes, ears, nose canal, or other sensitive areas of your dog. And when diffusing essential oils around dogs, leave a door to whatever room the diffuser is in open so that your pet can come and go as they desire. Run a water-based diffuser for aromatic use. I'll link up my best essential oil diffuser reviews in the description. Position the diffuser also in a place where your dog can't knock it over. And then use caution when diffusing essential oils around dogs. Start with only 1 to 2 drops if it's a strong smelling essential oil. And here's my list of the best essential oils for dogs, and then I'll answer the questions. Are there essential oils toxic to dogs, and are there essential oils that are bad for dogs? Basically, which essential oils to avoid with dogs. So here's what you'll want to have in your healthy dog cabinet. The first one is lavender. Now, some pet owners have wondered, is lavender oil safe for dogs? For good reason. There was a study done showing that it's not safe. However, when the quality of the lavender used in the study was analyzed, it was found to be adulterated. You can see what impure essential oils can do to a human with the chemical burns that you'll see that these two sisters experienced from their grandma putting an impure lavender essential oil on their chest, and it can be just as harmful to dogs. However, further research has confirmed that lavender is not only safe for dogs, but is highly beneficial. So can dogs have lavender? Yes. Known for its calming properties, lavender cultivates a soothing atmosphere for dogs and people alike. Diffuse during stressful times like thunderstorms or fireworks shows, or put a drop or two on a blanket for trips to the vet or groomer. Lavender helps soothe irritations to their skin. So is cedarwood safe for dogs? Yes, it's a popular pest repellent. So cedarwood also supports feelings of easy breathing and promotes a relaxing atmosphere for fearful or timid dogs. Frankincense, so this is cleansing and soothing, and frankincense is a perfect oil for skin irritations and odor control. So if you're wanting these oils, you can grab my favorite essential oil dog kit that I use, and I'll link up a discount that is 25% off for that kit. Some of my favorite DIYs, first one is super easy outside pest spray. So combine 10 to 12 drops of cedarwood with fractionated coconut oil or water in a spray bottle, and then you can just spritz your hand and then pet your dog all over before heading out. Focus on the neck and belly and legs, and just make sure you shake it before each use. So my calm during the storm spritz is 10 to 12 drops of lavender or balance, or both of them, with fractionated coconut oil or water in a spray bottle, and you spray it on a blanket or bed or even on your hands for a comforting tummy scratch before a scary storm or other stressful event. So make sure again to shake that before every use. Now, which essential oils to avoid that are bad for dogs? While essential oils offer numerous benefits, there are several that aren't safe for dogs. So wintergreen, birch, and tea tree oils should be avoided. So please give this video a thumbs up, share with other dog owner friends, and subscribe for more essential oil education for humans and pets. And remember to grab my free essential oils guidebook in the cards, or you'll find that down in the description. Now, if you want to use safe essential oils for dogs, then this next video is a must watch. How to tell if an essential oil is pure.